Nail tips with sticky tabs. It's like making your own press-ons. Paint them on the stand first and apply when you're ready. There's one step most people skip that makes these last significantly longer. It takes 5 seconds and all you need is a hairdryer. Let me show you. Start by choosing the correct nail tip size for each nail. A well-fitting nail tip should cover your nail from sidewall to sidewall without touching your skin or cuticle. This one is slightly too big and this one is slightly too small, so I'm in between sizes. If that happens, choose the larger nail tip and lightly file the sides or cuticle area for a perfect fit. Lightly file the free edge if it isn't smooth, then brush away any dust with the dust brush before continuing. Press a small piece of glue tack onto each nail stand piece to secure it. Then press the sized nail tip firmly into the glue tack so it sits flat and stable. Apply a thin coat of base coat to each nail tip, making sure to fully cover the tip and cap the free edge. Place the nail tip stand inside the gel nail lamp and cure for 60 seconds. All layers apart from your top coat will remain slightly sticky after curing. This helps the next layer adhere. Painting on a nail tip stand is much easier than painting directly on your nails. No chance of getting polish on your skin, and you can use a dominant hand for every nail. I'm doing stripes because this design is really hard to do directly on your nails. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats of Candy Shop, capping the free edge after each coat. Cure each coat for 60 seconds. Load a long liner nail art brush with red sass, just enough polish. You don't want to overload it. Starting from the bottom of the nail, drag the brush straight up in one smooth, confident stroke. If your stripe looks thin or patchy, pick up a little more polish and go over it again. Repeat evenly across the nail, keeping consistent spacing between each stripe. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. While your tips cure, prep your nails. Gently push back any cuticles using an orange wood cuticle stick or cuticle pusher. If needed, use cuticle nippers to carefully remove any loose or dead skin. Do not cut living skin. If your nails need shortening, trim them with nail clippers. Then using the 180 grit side of your nail file, file to your desired shape. Make sure the edges are smooth. Using the fine 180 grit side of your nail file, gently buff the entire surface of each nail. Make sure the whole nail appears dull. This gives the sticky tab a good surface to grip. Brush away any dust with a dust brush, then use a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe to thoroughly clean each nail. This removes dust and oils while dehydrating the nail. Optionally, apply a thin coat of pH Bond and air dry for 60 seconds to improve adhesion. Skip nail primer when using sticky tabs. It can create too much buildup and affect how well the tabs bond to your nail. Choose a sticky tab that best covers your nail bed without overlapping onto your skin or cuticle. Peel and apply directly to your nail, lengthwise or sideways depending on your nail shape. Press down firmly to ensure a secure hold. For longer wear, warm the tab slightly with a hairdryer for 5 to 10 seconds, keeping it moving so it doesn't get too hot. Then press and rub the tab firmly onto your nail. This is a step most people skip, and it makes a real difference to how long your tips stay on. Peel away the sticky tab backing using the nail art tweezers or your finger. If you've used a hairdryer, the backing may be slightly harder to remove. Just take your time. Place the nail tip slightly away from the cuticle at a 45-degree angle. Gently push it toward the cuticle and along the nail until the nail tip is fully secured onto the sticky tab. Press down firmly to secure. That's your nail tips applied with sticky tabs, the easiest way to get a clean finish on every single nail. Subscribe to keep up with our latest tutorials. See you next time!